To create a message template, navigate to the Message Broadcast section and select Message Template. Here, click on Create New Message Template. On this page, you can enter the desired message text into the provided text box. Once you have finished composing the message, click Submit to create the template. After successfully creating the template, it will be added to the message template list. If you wish to edit the template, locate it in the list and click on the pencil icon. This will allow you to modify the message content. Once you have made the necessary changes, click Submit again to finalize your template. If you need to find a specific message template, you can utilize the search bar to easily locate it within the list. In case you want to delete a template, select the checkbox next to the template name and click on Delete.